Hi guys, Jeff here from TAP. Just wanted to share with you a job we got in the workshop today, a bit of an interesting one. This is a car that I was involved with the conversion from a old ICE engine to a electric vehicle some years ago, and it's on the road now. The customer's driving it quite nicely. He's dropped it in for its annual service and check over. So 74 Beetle that's been converted over to electric. So have a look at the conversion in the inside here. What this particular system's running is what they call the Net Gain Hyper 9 motor and controller. This is a kit that's put together out of America that fits the old Porsches, VW Beetles, etc. Water-cooled system for the Tesla battery pack. So it's got 5 early Tesla battery packs, are running at about the 125 volt range for the batteries, lithium-ion batteries, and external charger, etc. So again, this has been on the road for about 18 months now. It's just coming for its annual service. So I don't know you guys, with more and more EVs on the road, we see them all the time, especially in big cities. All different brands, and the sales numbers are certainly increasing greatly. So if EV and hybrid is something you're interested in, have you had a look at the EV and hybrid network yet? Something we established 6 months ago and slowly growing. So we've got about 75 workshops around Australia already involved in that. We're going to be bringing out some training early in 2024, EV and hybrid training, which Brent and I did in America. So the AC/DC training, which we're bringing out, so that'll be available early 2024. But if you are interested in getting involved a bit more, dipping your toe in the water in that EV and hybrid space, or becoming friendly in that area for your own clients that are starting to go that way, make sure you have a look at the link on the EV and hybrid network. If you are interested in joining up, obviously just fill out the paperwork and sign up, and then you can be one of those people that we're promoting to the consumer that you are EV and hybrid friendly. So if it's interest to you, this was another interesting car that we've had in the workshop, and we've had a couple of full EVs in the last few months as well for general servicing. So they are starting to creep into the aftermarket. So if it's something you're interested in, make sure you go and have a look at the EV and hybrid network. See you next time.